In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export video in 4K in CapCut on PC. If you want your video to look crisp, detailed, and ready for platforms like YouTube, large screens, or professional delivery, exporting in 4K is a great choice. The good news is that CapCut on PC makes this process very simple once your edit is finished and you know exactly which settings to use. To get started, make sure your project is fully edited and ready to render. Once everything looks the way you want, go to the top right corner of the screen and click the bright blue Export button. If you prefer using keyboard shortcuts, you can also press Ctrl and E to open the export window more quickly. This is the main panel where you'll choose the settings that control your final video quality. When the export window appears, first make sure that video exporting is enabled. This is important because you want CapCut to render the video itself, not just any other elements. After that, look for the Beat Resolution drop-down menu. Click it and select the 2K/4K option. This is the setting that allows your project to be exported at a much higher resolution, giving you that ultra-sharp 4K look. For the best possible image quality, set the bitrate to higher. A higher bitrate helps preserve more visual detail, especially in motion, textures, and scenes with a lot happening on screen. Then leave the format set to either MP4 or MOV. Both are widely supported, so either one works well depending on your workflow. Next, set the frame rate to 60 frames per second. This is especially useful if you want smoother motion and a more polished final result, particularly for action-heavy footage, gameplay, or fast camera movement. Once those settings are in place, choose where the exported file will be saved. Under Export to, click the folder icon and select a location on your computer that's easy to find later, like a project folder or your desktop. This small step can save time and help keep your files organized. Now that everything is set, click the blue Export button at the bottom of the window. CapCut will begin rendering your project into an ultra-high-definition 4K video file. Depending on the length of your video and the power of your computer, this may take a little time. So just let the export finish completely. And that's it. Your video will be exported in 4K and ready to upload, share, or deliver.